in this video, we are going to do questions on double digit numbers based on the concept I explained you in the previous session. Okay. Okay. Example, I have 52. 50 and 2. 52. I have to add 22. 22. Getting? I had 52. 52 I know how to make, ma'am. 5 to 52. 22. 2 to 22. 20 here, 2 here. Now I have to do 15. 15. Look, 15 is what? 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. This is just for your explanation. 1, 5, 15. I have added 10 only here. I have added 5 only here. 10 and 5, 15. Let's do it like this. We have 15. If we break 15, we get 10 and 5, no? So 10 here, 5 here. Easy. Okay, let's look at another example. 37. If I break 37, I get 30 and 7, no? 30 here, 7 here. Okay. I have to add 52. Let's break 52, 50 and 2. 50 and 2, ma'am. Minus 39. Minus 30 and minus 9. Clear? Clear, ma'am. Okay. Last one. 25. 20 and 5. 25. 53. 50 and 3. Minus 67. Minus 60. Minus 7. Those who have problem that ma'am, how are you adding 20 here, 50 here, 40 here? Watch my previous video. I've explained everything. Okay. So in the next video, I'll see you with some more questions, and those questions you're going to do yourself. Okay. Here I have explained. Next video is your test questions. I will just do the question. You can check with me, and you're going to do the questions by yourself. Okay. I will just speak it. Okay. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.